How to use Debit Payoff Planner on Rocket Money. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Debit Payoff Planner on Rocket Money. So, to use the debit management feature in Rocket, you have to link your financial account to account automatically track balances and view your full financial print. So what you want to do is you can simply connect your credit loans and bank account to Rocket Money to get an accurate real-time overview of all your debit. Then the app helps you finalize or visualize your debit in one place, which is crucial for determining how much you owe and to which creditors. Next, you can also utilize the spending insight feature to see where your money is going, helping you find extra cash to put towards debit prepayment as well. And you could also create savings or debit payoff goals within the app to stay focused on becoming debit free. And you could also a money track or while Rocket Money tracks, you can employ the debit snowball method as well. And that is how you're supposed to use the debit payoff planner on Rocket Money. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.